Let's get to the point. Nag-alarm clock ako ng 5 a.m. to try the new and limited time Harry Potter drinks ni Starbucks. And for me, among their limited releases, ito ang some of the most delicious ni Starbucks. And beautiful din ang styling. The Harry Potter drinks and merchandise, I assume, available in all Starbucks branches nationwide, while supplies last din. May 3 Harry Potter drinks si Starbucks and I tried 2 of them. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. Shoutout pala sa mabait and magaling na staffs sa Starbucks E. Lopez Drive in Quezon City. And para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ito ang list ng 3 Harry Potter drinks. Nandyan na rin ang price, may calorie count pa. Sorry, wala pala akong video ng actual merchandise kasi hindi siya nakadisplay sa shelves. May photo sila ng merchandise sa isang special menu board and dun ka pipili. Check their IG na lang. Hindi ako bumili ng merchandise kasi ang dami ko ng mugs and tumblers sa bahay. Nagmumukha na akong tindahan. The 2 drinks I tried were number 1, Iced Honey Dukes Bursting Bonbons Latte, 205 pesos. This was delicious for me kahit na ba ang haba ng pangalan ng drink. So para siyang iced coffee with whipped cream na may colorful sugar on top. And beside it, may parang pearls, pero don't worry, super lambot ito, na may berry flavored juice sa loob. The team suggested I bite the pearl with a drink. And true enough, the pearl gave the coffee a parang raspberry flavor in a delicious way. Pinutok ko ang isa and true enough, parang berry flavor nga. And I tasted the drink itself, okay din siya. May vanilla flavor yung iced coffee. Number 2, Honey Dukes Bursting Bonbons Frozen Tea, 200 pesos. Please note, wala itong coffee. This was delicious for me. So may black tea ito and ice blended na lemonade. May colored sugar din on top. And meron ding same pearls na may juice sa loob. Same suggestion, try tasting the drink with the pearl combined. Pero trinay ko rin yung drink itself, masarap din siya. Kalasa niya yung parang honey grapefruit tea nila from the regular menu. Between the 2 drinks I tried, mas nag-blend harmoniously ang flavors ng lahat dito sa second drink. Pero okay din yung isa. Yung third drink, I did not try kasi para lang siya yung iced latte, pero frappuccino version. Overall, this was one of the most delicious and beautiful limited drinks ni Starbucks. May magic talaga ang Harry Potter. And speaking of magic, kamukha ng pearl ng drink na ito, yung crystal ball sa Harry Potter movies. And napaisip ako, it is normal to be anxious about the future. Kaya may tendency tayong maging curious sa mga manghuhula or seek predictions from supernatural sources. I respect that, pero sana maisip din natin, the best way to predict the future is to take steps to create the kind of future we want instead. Click follow for the next story.